Hey guys, welcome to my night routine for quarantine in 2020. The very first thing I do is after I study, I go ahead and take a shower because, yeah, I am a night person and I take shower at night in quarantine at least. The products that I use are Mama Earth onion conditioner and shampoo. I love the conditioner, shampoo not so much, and the Wow one as well. So I just washed my hair today because they were feeling greasy and like, come on, it's my choice, I can do it, right? This is my outfit, but you can't see anything because of the dirty mirror, but it's okay to see things dirty sometimes, it sounded so weird, but okay. And after that, I just go ahead and chop some ginger, every day, just the usual, nothing new, just chopping chopping ginger every day. Okay, enough jokes. I was chopping ginger because I was making tea because I had sore throat. Okay, you have no right to judge me. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm just doing the basics, just lighting up the gas, which took me 3 tries, but alright. And putting some water and some ginger and some sugar. And the tea that I'm using is by Assam. I love Assamese tea. It's great. I love Assam too. And then I'm just pouring my tea. Like, I don't need to explain it, but yeah, you get the point. And after that, I just drink my tea and have a dark fantasy along with it. Yeah, I just dip the tea bag. I don't usually have the tea bag tea, but this time, to be more aesthetic, I just did that because sometimes you gotta be weird. You just can't be like mainstream and straightforward all the time. And I'm watching Jane the Virgin here. Right now, I am doing like making reels. I was about to say TikTok, like I'm out of my mind. You should definitely follow me. It's at Samriddhi Awasthi and Twitter at Samriddhi07. But making reels is like super fun. I post everyday reels on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. And yeah, that way you can also get a shout out if you follow me on Instagram, as well as subscribe to me on YouTube, of course. That's compulsory. Then I realized that I was hungry. So what I did was just like grab my dinner, and this is what I'm having. I love Indian food. Like India's food is just amazing. I don't know if I can ever live without Indian food, but I love Indian food. It's my favorite. And yeah, that's what I'm having. I'm having some radish and some beans along with paratha. I love beans. Beans are like one of my favorite vegetable. Green beans, amazing. And don't mind, I'm just having that dinner on my study table. I know it's not appropriate at all while like watching some Netflix, but I have a good reason. My house is on renovation right now, so I don't really have many places to eat my dinner or lunch or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing. And how could it be my vlog without studying in it? It's expected to be there, and it's there. I am studying maths. I hate maths, but I always study maths because I have to in order to pass. That's why I am studying maths, guys. Once I'm done with studying, I just keep my things away. It's just that simple. I do that. And after that, what I do is I just like change my clothes. But first I pose, obviously, because that's necessary. And I don't look at myself in the mirror every day, so it was necessary. It's just change into my night suit. Don't usually do this every single day, but when I'm wearing something nice, I just change into my night suit, and it's from Shein, but it got banned, so that's sad. And then wear my slippers and head to the bathroom to do my skincare. I am really particular about my skincare now. because I've been breaking out a little bit, and that's because of like obviously my period cycle. But I still try to take care of my skin, drink lots of water, eat healthy food, and yeah, just wash my face every single day. So the face wash that I'm using is by Good Vibes. It's this charcoal face wash, and I don't know how much it works, but I actually like it. It is not for me, but I still like it for some reason. So that's that. It's also like cruelty free, and I'm switching to more cruelty free products. And the next one that I use is Nivea's face wash slash scrub. I use like two face washes. It's like weird, but that's what I'm doing. And I try to switch to more cruelty free products. It's good that way, and I'm trying to like have more vegan meals, if that makes sense, because I am an animals rights activist, if you did not know that. And I'm using some face serum on my face, and that's what I do for skincare. Another very popular thing right now is Among Us. So I'm just playing Among Us, and this time I became a crewmate. That's sad, but I guess we'll deal with it. I won it, and I am good at Among Us, if you did not know that. Just for one specific person who might be watching. Another game I'm playing is Criblio. No, it's not Scribblio. I am so dumb. It's Scribble.io. Like, come on, somebody. How dumb can you be? But after playing that, I realized I was hungry and I need a midnight sweet treat. So I just grabbed the chocolate. And after that, I played music because, I love music. I actually did not like music before, but I knew that I would find my spiritual music one day, and I did. And then I started like listening to all these songs, and it was amazing. So the song that I'm listening to right now is Kiss You by One Direction. Obviously, like, I guess you expected it by now, but I'm just having chocolate, and it was too brittle. So yeah, just like ate it. That simple. And please ignore my awkward dance, but my dancing skills are just like One Direction. Weird. And I'm a very terrible dancer, but it's okay, I guess. You can just excuse me and not judge me for it. After that, I always every day watch Vampire Diaries at night, like at 3 a.m. or like 2 a.m. or like 1 a.m. with my sister every single night. So that's what I do. And today I decided to make hot chocolate. We have something every night. Like, we make something every single night. This day it was hot chocolate. So I have this very cool recipe which I ripped off of Gemma Stafford, who FYI was my favorite baker, is my favorite baker. So what I did was like add some milk, some sugar into a heavy bottom saucepan, as she likes to call it, and add some dark chocolate. Now this chocolate is dark and vegan, so I love this chocolate. And after that, I just put it in, and you need to use like chocolate and not like cocoa powder. It will work wonders if you use chocolate. And also add like a salted caramel sauce, and I can just list the recipe which I used down in the description, because it was amazing, by Gemma Stafford. Make sure you check her out. She's amazing. And yeah, I just had hot chocolate. It was so delicious, like one of the best hot chocolates I've ever had. And that's all. I just go ahead and sleep, because it's super important to sleep. And good night. Bye guys.